Camping gear keeps getting smaller and smarter, and Outzac has come up with something that could make packing for outdoor trips a lot easier. It's called the Pico Pump, and it's an incredibly tiny air pump designed to inflate things like sleeping pads, air mattresses, and even small inflatable boats. Despite its size, it's built to handle a surprising range of tasks, and it can also deflate your gear quickly when it's time to pack up. One of the most interesting things about the Pico Pump is how it's powered. Instead of using its own battery, it runs through a USB-C cable connected to a power bank. That means you can use the same power source you're already carrying for your phone, speaker, or other gadgets. It's a simple idea, but it saves you from having to charge yet another device before heading out on a trip. Performance-wise, the pump pushes air at a rate of 350 liters per minute. That's enough to inflate a sleeping pad in about 30 seconds, an airbed in roughly 2.5 minutes, and an 80-inch inflatable boat in about 5.5 minutes. The company says its pressure output is strong enough to firm up an air mattress properly, without needing to finish the job with manual breaths, even if someone is lying on it. The Pico Pump also comes with several interchangeable nozzles. One of them works with vacuum storage bags, which means you can compress clothing or other gear to save space in your backpack or luggage. In a pinch, the pump can even help stoke a campfire by pushing extra air into the flame. And unlike some compact pumps out there, this one can both inflate and deflate, making teardown much faster when you're ready to leave camp. According to Outzac, a standard 10,000 mAh power bank could handle around 400 inflations with this pump. It's also designed to stay fairly quiet, operating at around 65 decibels. If you really need to, you could even power it directly from your phone's battery or connect it to a solar panel while you're off the grid. It's worth noting that the Pico Pump isn't the absolute lightest pump available. Some ultra-minimal models weigh even less, but they tend to inflate more slowly and usually can't deflate gear. The Pico Pump seems to aim for a balance between portability and performance, rather than going all in on weight reduction. Right now, the pump is being offered through a crowdfunding campaign. While the expected retail price is around $45, early supporters can grab one for about $25 while the campaign is still running. There are also optional add-ons available, including an inflatable pillow, an air seat, a 10,000 mAh power bank, and a vacuum storage bag. Like any crowdfunding project, there's always some level of risk involved. That said, Outzac has successfully launched and delivered products before, including a mini bike tire pump, and the campaign has already attracted thousands of backers. If everything goes according to plan, the company expects to start shipping orders worldwide in May 2026.